How to fix Macquarie Bank card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Macquarie Bank's card declined. So let's say you're trying to tap your card or use your card anywhere else and it says declined. Now, there may be various different reasons as to why this problem may be occurring. So in this video, we'll talk about the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost reason is the insufficient funds reason. Now, let's say you're trying to make a purchase of $100 and you only have $90 on your account. Then it'll say payment declined as you do not have sufficient funds to complete the transaction. The second reason may be your account limit. Now let's say you only have a daily purchase limit of $2,000 on your account and you've already made a purchase of $2,000. Now even if you make a purchase of $1, your card will still decline as your daily purchase limit is exceeded. So what you can do is basically change your daily purchase limit or your daily cash limit, increase it, or you can basically try the next day. Now the third reason may be your card is locked. So what you can do is basically go to your home page, go to cards, and then check whether your card is active or not. So if your card is inactive, even if you try to make a purchase of $1 or $1,000, it will still decline. So make sure your card is active and also make sure your card is within the expiry date. So if your card expires on the February of 2026, if you're using the card on March of 2026, it will not work as the card has already expired. So what you can do is basically issue a new card with a new expiry date. Now the fifth reason you can do is check if your international transactions are enabled or not. If you're paying overseas and you have international transactions disabled, it will say declined as well. And if none of these are your problem or your solution, you can basically try to contact support and then talk to them about your card not being accepted and it is being declined, and they will be able to help you. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.